Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be giving you the 8 benefits of drinking lime water. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So I have so many different videos on my channel about water now, whether it's lemon water, whether it's coconut water, hydration, drinking hot water, detox, alkaline, all different kinds of water, sparkling water. So I can definitely make sure to make, something like a water playlist or something, and I'll link it up right here for you guys to check out. But today is going to be all about lime water. So I can't talk about water enough. Your body is made up of about 60% water, so your body loves water. It needs water. Can't do normal functions without water. Water not only, flushes toxins out of your body, but it helps to keep you hydrated, energized, all that good stuff. Now, I have so many different videos about how much water you should be drinking. We've talked about the 8x8 rule, we've talked about a million other things, but water, you need water. I don't care how much, you need it all. Now, some people don't like the taste of just plain water, so you'll have your iced teas or your coffees or your sodas, but a lot of these drinks, as we know, have a ton of colors and flavorings and sugar, whether it's real sugar, fake sugar, whatever kind of sugar, sweeteners. So it's not always the best for you, but as you know, there's a million different ways to, give some flavor, some flavor, to give your water some flavor without all of those added chemicals and things. Now, not only is the lime going to give your water some flavor, so it's not just plain, but there are, of course, other benefits to drinking or eating some lime. So lime is, of course, a citrus fruit, just like a lemon is. And they're a great source of course, your antioxidants. They're also a really good source of potassium, vitamins A, B, C, and D, and calcium and magnesium. Now, I know all that stuff sounds really good, but I haven't even gotten into the 8 benefits, so let's go through them now. Now, number 1 is going to be that it rejuvenates your skin. So vitamin C, flavonoids, and antioxidants all strengthen collagen, and would you guess, they're all found in limes. Now, I'm sure you've heard of vitamin C or different things that are in topical skincare products to help, clear up or brighten or smoothen your skin or the appearance of your skin. And if you're drinking it, you're doing this within, not just topically. Number 2 is that it improves digestion. Now, limes are acidic, so they are going to cause your mouth to, have some more saliva to help break down your food, and this definitely aids in digestion. Also, the flavonoids that are found in your limes also stimulate the different juices, if you will, in your digestion. Limes are, of course, acidic, so that's why, you don't want to put them directly onto your skin, really. It's best to, ingest them or things like that. But this can help you if you are suffering from constipation, which I have a video about constipation too, but this can help. The acidity from the limes can actually clear your excretory system, and it can actually stimulate some bowel activity. And hear me out on this one, if you experience acid reflux or heartburn or anything like that, then I have a trick for you. If you take a couple of teaspoons of some lime juice with some warm water and you drink that, it can prevent some, reflux symptoms as long as you're drinking this, at least like a half hour before you have a meal. Number 3 is that it fights infections. The vitamin C and antioxidants found in limes can, really strengthen your immune system. It can help your body fight off infection, like the cold or flu, or, maybe even just help reduce your symptoms. Number 4 is that it can help with weight loss. Now, this is because of the citric acid that is found in the lime, so this can help boost your metabolism. Now, I have a million videos on your metabolism if you want to check those out too. But this is just going to help you burn more calories and store less fat. Now, you have to make sure you're still getting, physical activity in, and, make sure you're having normal portions and things like that. I'm not just saying you're going to lose weight because you're drinking lemon water or lime water. Number 5 is that it lowers your blood sugar. Now, limes can be helpful for people with diabetes because of their vitamin C. They have a low glycemic index, so it can help regulate how your body absorbs sugar. So you can experience, fewer blood sugar spikes. Number 6 is that it can reduce heart disease. So this is because the magnesium and potassium that are found in limes, that of course is going to promote your heart health. Potassium naturally lowers your blood pressure and improves blood circulation. And this of course is going to reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke. Number 7 is that it can help prevent cancer. So this has to do with antioxidants. Again, it can just, help promote healthy cell growth and improve the function of your immune system. So all these things together can help prevent cancer. And number 8 is that it can help reduce inflammation. So arthritis, gout, other joint type problems are all caused by inflammation. And vitamin C can help reduce that. Now vitamin C is huge here, and it just helps, that you're getting it from the lime. Limes can also reduce the uric acid levels, and this is a waste product that your body produces when breaking down foods that contain purines. So meat, liver, mushrooms, and dried beans. And high levels of uric acid can cause gout, so definitely want to lower them here. But that is all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. And share this video would really help me a lot. But as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.